No, I'm not ugly. You are the ugly one. Cute. Wow, you're so beautiful.
Wait. Wait. How about when I'm jumping?
Okay. Enough. What was the commercial about the hair? Your hair is so nice. What were you saying
Naubos mo na
before?
ba yung loob ng Western?
Hindi. You said my hair is smooth and shiny thanks to conditioner. Okay, say that.
My hair is shiny thanks to conditioner.
No, my hair is smooth and shiny.
How my hair is smooth and shiny.
Look at the camera.
Thanks to conditioner.
Again.
I don't want.
Do that like that. Touch your hair. My hair is smooth and shiny thanks to conditioner. Enough.